Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Saksham Digital Technology. So basically in this video we are going to make a model, machine learning model for house price prediction. So this is the whole project. I am going to one PPT for you. So this is our example house price prediction based on input value. So our first process step is problem definition and planning. So our planning is that you just want to input the value in the particular form and then they will give you the prediction of the price of the house. So what is the plan for this? So we are just collecting the data. There are different type of data we are collecting from Kaggle. I already downloaded the Kaggle Bangalore house prediction data. So I will show you in the few seconds. So data collection with the help of Kaggle website. And after collecting the data, we are cleaning the data. Also with the help of Python, I just clean the data and also expert data analysis with Power BI. I will give some pie chart and bar chart on the particular data with the help of Power BI. This part we are cover with Power BI and this with Python on Jupyter. Okay, and this is with Kaggle. You just download any type of data with Kaggle. And this model development means you just make a model like machine learning algorithm. We are just applying a machine learning algorithm in the video, and also we are deploying on Flask. We are deploying this model on the Flask. It is a web-based form. You just put your values on the particular form and just give you the answer of particular price of the house. So I will see you data. So we are reading the data. So for that we are just importing our libraries. Our necessary libraries are import pandas spd. So this is our data library for reading the data, exploit data analysis, applying some function with the help of this. So our library is read spd. So then we are just reading our data. Df equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and our data name is just see. Okay, there is our no data, our data in this. So just copy this data and paste on the machine learning folder. Go to the file. So we are pasting our file is here, our current location. Also read with that location, but not writing any type of code for that. This is the easy way to read our file. So our file in this folder, our machine learning folder, and we are in the machine learning folder. We are changing our name, file name, house price prediction. So this is our file name. You can see both are here. So our file name is, you can see the file name is house price prediction dot csv. So our file name is house price prediction dot csv. You just run this code and read your data and with the help of head function. So what is the head function? So head function basically give you top 5 rows of the data. If you are using tail function, just different with head function, you just give the last 5 rows of the data. And if you want more data, so you just pass the value in these braces. So okay, we are using only the head. So our variables are serial number, not in use for not useful for us now. And our another variable is area type. This is the one of the main important. Based on this, our price is increased or decreased. So area type, and our another variable is size of the particular house, like 1 bedroom, 4 bedroom, 2 bhk, 3 bhk, 4 bhk, 6 bedrooms, and all. There are some outliers like 12 bedroom, not 12 bedroom. And also is total square feet of the house, like 2600 square feet, 1400 square feet. Is here you can see 2 bhk is 1200 square feet, but 3 bhk is 1521 square feet. Okay. We have bathrooms, like in the four bedroom we have five bathroom in the 3 BHK, we have two bathroom in 3 BHK, we have three bathrooms in the 2 BHK, we have two bathrooms. So for different type of data, these values are different. And also we have balcony, like we have three balconies in the four bedroom and three balconies in the 3 BHK, balconies and one balcony in 3 BHK. According to this, our size is changed. Okay. So the price is dependent on these variables. This is the dependent variable. So this is not useful for now. So we are not use this. So we are reading of data is completed. Then we are just going to the finding some collection. Sorry, cleaning of the data. So we are just checking with df dot information. So for this we find some information like we have serial number variable, and the type of this is null type, non-null. And also we have 13,304 values. This is also not non-null, and this is the type of data. Sorry, this is the type of data, integer, and the type of data is area type is object, and the size is object. Total square feet also object. Bathroom is integer. Balcony is integer. Price is float type. Okay, these are the information of our data, and we are just checking our null values with function is null. So this is for finding the null values in our data. So you can see this is false, 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 means no null values in these rows. We are checking for full data, just like here is sum. So they will give you the according to variable, and the sum serial number variable, we don't have any null values. In the area type, we don't have any null values. Basically, this is the clean data, because we are downloading from the Kaggle. So Kaggle providing you the clean data. Okay, then we are just checking some describe function like df dot. They just give you some mathematical equation like maximum value, minimum value, and mean value also. So describe. Okay, we have count, the count of the values, like we have serial number 13,000. This is not useful, but our mean value of the bathroom is 2.67. What is the meaning of this? Like in our house data, we have more than all the values are related in the 2 to 3. Okay, then the balcony is 1.5 approx, means there are some one balcony, there are some two balconies. Okay, and the price is in the range of 112. This is in the dollar or maybe in another format, so don't mind this. Also, we have a standard value, minimum value, like minimum balcony is 0. There are some rooms we don't have any balcony, but also we have one bathroom in all the datas. Okay, and price is 8. This is some outliers. Okay, the 25% data exist of the bathroom is 2, and the price is 50, and 50% data exists 72, and balcony is 2, and also bathroom is 2. So these are our values, like you can see this is also outliers, like maximum value of bathroom is 16. No any 16 bathroom in the house, normal house. Okay, so after this, we are just going to the another, like we are so in the horizontal format. So we are just copy this code and here use T. So they just different type format type to see the data. So and after this, we are just finding the duplicated value. After this, we are just finding the duplicated value. We first we find the shape of the data, like df dot shape. So our shape of the data is 13,304 rows and 8 columns. You can see we have 8 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the shape is given you the value of rows and columns. So we are just finding the duplicate value, duplicated. This is the function to find the duplicated value. We have check for all the data. So apply the sum. sum of all the duplicated value. We don't have any duplicate value already. This is the clean data. So our cleaning part is completed. Also our data collection part is completed. Okay, so our cleaning part is completed. For data, we also check store some check the columns of the data like df dot. These are normal functions. We have no serial number, area, and all these are our columns. So our collection part is completed, our cleaning part is completed. Then we are going to the EDA for EDA. We are going to the Power BI. So open Power BI for this. So already I opened Power BI. Just create a new. So read the data. How to read our data? So I am just clicking here. Import data from Excel. We also have some another sources to read the data from SQL, and also you can see get data from SQL, data flows, data server, SQL server, analysis servers, and all. There are some different options, but we are going to Excel sort. Okay. So our Excel data and data is in the so our data in the machine learning folder. So we are just change this all files and all just read this data. So Power BI is connecting with the data. You can see our data is this. So we just load this data, and in the right corner we have data. So you can see expand this. Our data is readed. The processing is continue, waiting for other queries. Our data is showing here. You can see also you can see with this tab. So you just going to this particular icon, click on this, you can see the data. So our data is imported. You can see here we have our data. In the data we have 8 columns. So these are our columns, and also we can see with this. Okay, it's visible. All can understood this. So why we are using count variable with all these one values? Like we are creating a pie chart. For pie chart, we are just passing, like we are passing area type. So how many type of super built area, super built up area? So we are just passing the area type in the legend, and also we are passing the count in the values. So they just count by the values. So they just give you the number of different category type of area type. So first we are starting with pie chart. So here is our pie chart. We are just passing values like in the legend, we are just passing area type. So drag this and drop here. And also in the values, we are just passing count. So you can see our pie chart is ready to complete, and you can see our 66.01% is super built up area. So you can see this is our super built up area. Sum of count is 8,782 values are super built up area. And also you can see area type built up area is 2,418 and 18% of this data. So you can see this is the plot area, and this is the carpet area is 86 value 0.65%. So we are in in our next video, another videos Power BI playlist. We are just customize this in a better look format. So for this, we are just going here. You are just legend, and also you are the slice. Change the color of the slice. Like if you want to color of this is this like blue, and the color of this is like white. This is not good. We are just passing this color for this. So you can change according to you. And also we have data labels values like value. We are showing this in another format like here. We have percentage of total. So they just give you the only the total percentage. If you want to category, they just give you the category. If you want like uh, all data labels, so they just give you all data labels. Okay. So if you also can change bold, increase size, and also you just change the font style. So these are some general visualization. And if you want to change the title, so you just writing here pie chart for area type. and you just change with like heading is 2 and also change with Arial black and change the size and bold. Also, if you want this in center. Okay, we are adding subtitles, driver dividers, spacing, effects. Okay, if you want to a visual border, so on this and just like this, so you can see our border is implemented and the border color is like white. If you want white, you can change with black. If you want to a shadow, so you just click on inside shadow. So inside our shadow is implemented here, and also you change according to you. So this is our pie chart for particular area type. We are implementing this for the bathroom. So copy this, paste here, and change the values. Like in the area type, we are passing bath. So you can see we have bathroom 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these are some outliers, but we are don't mind this. Our we are changing this, increase the size. Our 52.22% data of bathroom are two size. Okay. And our three bathroom size is 24% data, and our four bathroom size is 9.26. These are some outliers. These. Okay. Okay, so our these two are variables are completed like bathroom, and in this also we are adding one page. We are copy this. In this we are just passing like balcony. We have not more than 213. There are 213 balconies. The data of two is like two balcony is 40%, 38%. Three is this and this. There are some zero balconies. There are okay. Our three are completed with pie chart. We are also using this bar chart, matrix, tables, slicer, also map in the some location data, and these are some donut charts. Also, you can change with donut chart. So you can see this is the donut chart, ribbon chart. This is the card you want to show the maximum of the particular data, so you can use the card. But this is enough for us. Also, you can use this in square feet, not in the square feet. You can only use these data for the pie chart. So our these four parts are completed in this video. In the next video, we are making a model for this particular data, and in the next video we are building a model in the Flask. So thank you so much. Subscribe our YouTube channel.